Hi everyone. I'm JC, your peer from the accounting 201 class. Um, um, I probably bother some of you with my inboxes asking you for help, support. So I think this is a great opportunity for those who have replied to say thank you. It's this is by far one of the hardest courses take I've taken so far. Anyways, so we're solving the problem number 7 from the quiz axis for week 12. And it says Diaz Company owns a machine that costs 126,400 and has accumulated depreciation of 93,800. Prepare the entry to record the disposal of the machine on January 1st in each separate situation. Something that I like to do with every problem I face is to write down what I have, and typically there's a question somewhere that will tell me what are they asking me to do. It's just easier to know what I have based on what I have and what they asking me to solve. There's always like a formula somewhere that will help me to do that faster. And so uh I have our problem here. And so let's see. So the cost of the machine, we have that information. So cost of machine at some point in the past, it cost us $126,400. And we also have the accumulated depreciation of 93,800. So we have that information, and it says prepare the entry to record the disposal of the machine on January 1st. So they will ask me for disposal of machine on January 1st. Okay. And so, and I don't know this. I so this is what they're asking me. I'm just trying to put some order here. Yeah. So one thing we can do is solve for the difference from what it costs and the what has been depreciated. So we can do that, subtracting whatever is the accumulated depreciation value. And so it's 32,600. And what they're asking us to do was the disposal of the machine for January 1st. And they, for each separate situation, so they have 1, 2, 3, 4 different situations here. So the first one says the machine needed extensive repairs and was not worth repairing. Diaz disposed of the machine, receiving nothing in return. So all this, what it says is you discarded the machine and there's nothing in return. You're not making any money. You're not selling. You actually just discarding the machine. And that is called the dispose of machine at no value. At no value right here. So we can solve this one since it's the first one, and I have this tab here representing the tab that we'll have here on our problem. Also, typically what I do here, it's I click on ebook and it'll show me, uh, it'll always show you an example of how to do it. When you scroll down to the bottom, you get these examples that will walk you through. or you can use the summary sheet. It's on every chapter. I pretty much copy and paste this um, these images, and I put them here, right here. Okay. So on the first one, for our first problem section to solve is dispose machine at no value. And we have January 1st. If I go down here, discarding Parially depreciate. Don't pay attention to the writing here. So, but anyways, so like I said, you discarded the machine. So we're gonna debit our accumulated depreciation equipment, loss on disposal. What is the machine? Loss on disposal, and we're gonna debit the entire value of the machine. And we do that by doing this. So accumulated accumulated disposal of the machine. And we're also going to debit our loss on disposal equipment. Machine. And we're going to debit, sorry, and we're going to debit the machine itself. Okay. So what we know is that the accumulated disposal is 93,800. And the machine we know it's 126, 400,000. And so what was lost is the difference between these two. And we have that here. Just need to do this. And that's it. That's all we need to do. So for the second one, they asking us, so they say we sold the machine for 1,500, 500 cash. So this is our the value the book value. This is also the book value, and anything we sell below this amount, we lose in money. Anything above, we gain in money. And if we sell it at exactly 32,600, then we're even. We're not gaining or losing any money. And so for the second one, they say, hey, you even though the book value is 32,600, you sold it at 1,500, 15,500 dollars. Sorry. Anyways, okay, so we lose. So this suppose how do we call this? We call this selling at sell below book value. Okay. Uh, and so it's 1,500. Yep. And so we don't know how much are we losing, but we're going to find that out. The way we do that is we take this amount, the book value, and then subtract the amount that we sold it for, and you get 17,100. And just get that here. We go to our image here, and just plug in the values. Cash, we debit our cash, for whatever we sold it for. In this case, is 15,500, and we debit our loss. Plus on disposal machine, and we debit the accumulated depreciation. Mm. Okay, so how much we lost? We lost this. We know that. And the accumulated depreciation was, we have that here. So we're just doing the plugins. And then we credit the machine. Just gonna put it here so that it makes, so that's notable, right? And that's it. That's all we do. For the third one, they say, so the company sold the machine for 32,600 in cash. And since that's the same amount of the book value, we're not gaining or losing anything. And we call this sell add book value. And so that's pretty much the same as this. And how do we do the entry? It's right here. So sell of asset at book value is sell price equals to book value, no gain or loss. So we do our cash. We're going to debit cash. Sorry, debit cash. We're going to debit the accumulated depreciation equipment or machine, and then we're going to credit the machine. Accumulated depreciation. And we're always going to credit the machine. So how much cash we got? We got 32. Anyways, I can just do this, right? And so the accumulated depreciation, we know it's 93,800, and our machine cost us 126,400. That's all we need to do. On the fourth one, it says that we sold the machine for $41,300 dollars, and that's above the book value. So that means that we gain some cash here. So it's called sell above book value. Sell asset above book value. It's a gain, and this is how we do the entry. So we do our cash. We debit cash. We debit accumulated depreciation machine. And it says we also need to credit the gain and the equipment. So let's do that. Gain, what we call this, gain on disposal machine. All right. How much cash we got? Well, they paid us 41,300. 41,300. And the accumulated depreciation is always in this problem, the same amount. And now we're gonna debit whatever we gain. We don't know how much we gain, so we're gonna find that out. So since we got 41,300, and we're gonna subtract the book value, we gain $8,700. Thousand. I can just do this, right? And the machine is always this amount. That's it. We solve. We just solved this problem. I already found out I got it right. Let's uh, let's compare our answers here. I'm gonna check my work. And we're gonna compare that. I can I can just use this one was already solved. Okay, so this one looks about right. Oh, this is just backwards, so it's the same. And as far as the second one, 15, 1,700, 93, 800, 126, 400. Good. 32, 26. All right. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, anything I can help you with this regarding this problem or any other in this access quiz, let me know. I'll be happy to help. Have a good night.